As we glide gracefully over the pier, moving towards the bustling promenade, we are about to embark on a unique journey over one of Durban's most charming attractions, Mini Town. This quaint miniature city, nestled on Durban's golden coastline, offers a delightful perspective into the architectural prowess and urban landscape of this vibrant city, albeit on a much smaller scale. Constructed in 1969, Mini Town has been a cherished destination, captivating visitors with its detailed replicas of Durban's iconic buildings and structures. It isn't just a display of architectural miniatures. It's a reflection of Durban's history and cultural heritage. Each model tells a story, encapsulating the essence of the building it represents, offering insights into the city's development over the years. As we hover over this miniature marvel, we are reminded of the ingenuity and creativity that have shaped this unique attraction. From the tiny moving cars to the scaled-down streetlights, every detail adds to the lifelike charm of Mini Town. It's a testament to the craftsmanship and vision of its creators, providing a whimsical yet informative glimpse into the heart of Durban. Mini Town is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a miniature homage to the city of Durban, capturing its spirit and vibrancy in a way that is both engaging and educational.